In the dynamic digital-first world of publishing, succeeding as an author requires more than just writing talent. You need to embrace business skills, marketing savvy, and an entrepreneurial drive to stand out. Author Rae A. Stonehouse offers a motivational yet practical guide that shows writers how to unleash their inner authorpreneur and launch a financially sustainable and creatively rewarding literary career. You'll discover the frameworks, strategies, and actionable steps essential for establishing yourself as a thriving author brand. Learn how to conduct competitive analysis, identify your target audience, optimize online visibility, convert readers into buyers, collaborate with influencers, and adapt to industry trends. Available at the Live for Excellence store. https://liveforexcellence.store. This empowering and intensely practical playbook aims to help determined writers supersede barriers, fulfill their potential, and boldly ascend to new heights of literary excellence. Follow these principles persistently, gather feedback, take calculated risks. Before you know it, your entrepreneurial talents will unfold, connecting your stories with eager readers worldwide while you reap the financial rewards.